You're wasting months waiting for 1,000 subscribers, while smaller channels are already making money right now. You do not need monetization to start earning on YouTube. Most small creators don't know this. You can make money through affiliate links, digital products, coaching, services, even simple recommendations. Some creators are making their first money online with less than 100 subscribers. Why? Because subscribers don't pay you. Value does. Your channel is not too small. You've just been thinking too small. So stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for monetization. Stop acting as if your opportunity starts at 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't. And if you want, I created a simple $9 guide showing small creators how to start making money even before monetization. Check the link in the description and comments.